In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Paddle to Kajabi and automatically grant access to an offer after a successful purchase. We'll walk through the full setup in a simple, practical way, so by the end, your payment flow and course access can work together smoothly. Before you begin, make sure you have access to both platforms and that you're working in the correct environment. It's a good idea to start in Paddle's sandbox mode first, so you can test everything safely before switching to live mode. First, open Chrome and sign in to your Kajabi admin area. Once you're inside, go to settings so you're ready for the Kajabi side of the connection. Then, in another tab, log into your Paddle dashboard. Again, begin with the sandbox account before moving to your live account later. Keeping both dashboards open side by side makes the setup much easier. Next, go into Paddle and locate the Developer Tools area, then open API Keys. Here, you'll need to copy the vendor ID, the auth code, and the public key. These details are what allow the automation platform to communicate with Paddle securely, so make sure you copy them carefully. After that, go to Notifications in Paddle and create a new endpoint. For the endpoint URL, you'll paste in the webhook link that comes from Zapier. If you don't have it yet, that's fine. You'll get it during the automation setup and can come back to paste it in. Now move over to Zapier and create a new Zap. Set Paddle as the trigger app and choose the event for a new successful purchase. Then connect your Paddle account using the vendor and authentication details you copied earlier. Once connected, run a test trigger so Zapier can confirm it's receiving purchase data correctly. For the action step, choose Kajabi and select the event to grant access to an offer. Then connect your Kajabi account. When mapping the fields, match the customer email from Paddle to the email field in Kajabi and map the offer ID to the correct Kajabi offer. This is the key step that ensures the buyer receives access to exactly the right product. After that, test the action to confirm Kajabi can successfully grant access. Once the automation is working, the final step is to add your Paddle checkout button to Kajabi. This allows customers to complete their purchase through Paddle while Kajabi handles product delivery automatically. After testing everything in sandbox mode, repeat the same setup in your live Paddle account so real customers can use it. And that's it. You now have a clean automated connection between Paddle and Kajabi.